Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to change profile on Instagram. Maybe you wanted to change profile picture on your Instagram, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can change your profile picture on your Instagram. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, tap on this profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you are in here, simply tap on this edit profile below your profile picture. And then in here you will see edit profile. Tap on this edit picture or avatar. Once you tap on it, you'll see here the new profile picture or you can import from Facebook. In here, tap on the new profile picture. And then now, you'll be directed into your gallery. Select the photo that you want to change into your profile. For example, this one. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll see it in here in the big screen. Tap on this next button. And then in here, you can edit your profile picture by adding filter or cropping the photo. After that, tap on this next button. And then as you can see, it's loading. And then now, just refresh your page. As you can see, your profile picture has been changed. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can change profile picture on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can change profile picture on your Instagram account, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.